That awkward moment when your sexy socks look like ill-fitting trash bags. When Florida Soooo doesn't look like it did on MTV Spring Breakers. That moment of overconfidence when you think sisters are for chumps. That awkward moment when you realize you can't Photoshop life. Why your Michael Phelps impression never attracts as many chicks as you hoped it would. When inexperienced grillers ask, how hard can it be? The horrible realization that a flawless Frosty can't be built in a day. The horrible truth about why he's not returning your calls. That sentimental moment when you decide to share with your cat. When you decide to welcome your furball onto the bed. When you decide to inconspicuously nod off on the bus. For parenting, not for the weak of heart.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.